हेलो। आज मैं जा रहा हूँ एक बंगाली रेस्टोरेंट में, भूतेर राजा दिलो बर। उसका नया आउटलेट खुला है कोरमंगला में, हमारे इधर बैंगलोर में। तो चलो आप लोगों को भी साथ लेके चलते हैं। मैंने फेस का जितना भी करना था काजल वाजल लगा के मैंने कर लिया है, लिपस्टिक लगाना अभी बाकी है। मैं साड़ी पहनने वाला हूँ आज, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू अ बंगाली रेस्टोरेंट, सो आई जस्ट वांट टू वेयर अ साड़ी। तो मैं साड़ी वाड़ी लगा के रेडी होके मिलता हूँ आप लोगों से, फिर आप लोगों को भी साथ लेके चलते हैं। चलो लेट्स गो। मैंने ये साड़ी लगा लिया है। ये बहुत ही सुंदर एक सिल्क का हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड साड़ी ही सुंदर साड़ी है, ब्लैक कलर का काथा स्टिच में। मैं रेडी हो गया हूँ। पूरा नहीं आ रहा है वीडियो में, पूरा साड़ी का लुक नहीं आ रहा है। ओवरऑल साड़ी का लुक ही इतना मेरे लिए डिफ़िकल्ट टू कैरी है, इतना ओवर है। तो मैं कोई इयररिंग्स या फिर कोई एक्स्ट्रा नेक पीस ऐड नहीं कर रहा हूँ इसके साथ। ओनली आई एम एडिंग दिस बैंगल्स। चलो डेस्टिनेशन पे जाके मिलते हैं। वी आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ भूतेर राजा दिलो बर, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है और लाइन भी लगा हुआ है। हमने भी अपना नाम लिखवा दिया है। मैं पूरा साड़ी वाड़ी लगा के आया हूँ। मुझे पता नहीं है कि वीकेंड की वजह से इतना ज़्यादा भीड़ है कि ये नया खुला है तो वीकडेज़ में भी भीड़ हो रहा है, बट बहुत ज़्यादा टायरिंग फील हो रहा है। बैंगलोर का वेदर इज़ अ सेवियर, बट फिर भी वहाँ पे इतने ज़्यादा लोग थे, मुझे गर्मी लग रही थी लिटरली। और साड़ी वैसे भी मेरे लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट टू कैरी है, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अनकम्फर्टेबल फील हो रहा था। At that point I was literally regretting कि why I wore साड़ी that day, but उसके बाद काफ़ी वेट करने के बाद फाइनली हमें अंदर आने का चांस मिला। Our waiting time was around 2 hours.
Yes, you are visible.
हम लोग टॉर्च चला के वीडियो ले रहे हैं। फाइनली वी गॉट अ चांस टू एंटर आफ्टर बैटल। अंदर बिल्कुल भी लाइट नहीं था, मैं टॉर्च जला के वीडियो लिया था फ़ोन में। हमारे थालीज़ आ गए हैं। एक हमने लिया था वेज थाली, जौनतुर मानतुर निरामिष थाली, और एक था ये बाघार थाली, मीन्स बाघा इज़ अ कैरेक्टर अगेन ऑफ सत्यजीत राय। तो बाघार थाली एंड थालीज़ में भी भूतेर राजा दिलो बर लिखा हुआ है बंगाली में। सो बाघार थाली वॉज द नॉन वेज थाली विच आई टुक, एंड दिस माई फ्रेंड टुक। दिस इज़ द निरामिष थाली, दैट इज़ द वेज थाली. Our Baghar thali had mutton also, Rajbarir kosha mangsho, then my favorite fish পাবদা, পাবদা মাছের সর্ষে পোস্ত, দেন আই হ্যাড মাছের মাথা দিয়ে কচু শাক, পাঁপড়, রসগোল্লা, চাটনি, পায়েস. These things are common desserts for all the thalis. Along with that I had plain steamed rice, but in the veg thali also they had given the pulao, our famous Bengali Bashanti pulao, the yellow color pulao. Then in Bengali, it's a very famous dish called dhokar dalna. So that was in the veg thali, dhokar dalna, aloo posto, chanar dalna. Whereas in the non-veg thali for veg options, I had shukto and Gondhoraj chicken pakora also I had as a starter. The food was really very good. I have been to Bhuter Raja Dilo Bar quite a few times in West Bengal, in my hometown Durgapur branch as well. But here I don't know, I did not like much when I have been to their Durgapur branch. The food quality or whatever it is taste wise, it was not that much up to the mark. But here in Bangalore, I must say the food quality and the taste and the service, everything was up to the mark. The crowd management is fine, like maybe this is the new outlet here in Bangalore, so people are really excited and they're visiting too much. But that is if you just keep it aside. Other than that, food quality and service and food availability, everything I must say on point. I just love their taste of food. Means after I was having the food, I felt that the wait was worth it. I did not have a very good expectations from their mutton, because wherever I have eaten mutton, be it the Barbecue Nation or any other place in buffets wherever I have eaten mutton here in Bangalore, I was not satisfied. I did not get the taste of that authentic Bengali mutton which we have. But here, the mutton was very soft and well boiled. It was well cooked. It was very soft and juicy and very flavorful. The Rajbadir kosha mangsho was very flavorful, very tasty. It was like more than what I expected. It was really good, and I will always recommend this. And you know how much honest reviews I give in my videos for food places. And being a foodie myself and a lover of the Bengali food, I will always recommend you to go and try the Bhuter Raja Dilobar Bangalore. Branch. This is the pabda fish I have taken on my plate. It was a huge fish, and the fish tasted very fresh, like it was not at all smelly, and it was exactly cooked like my father cooks it at home. The proper pabda shorshe posto, the recipe was on point. I really loved. They had put a good amount of posto in the posto being a very expensive ingredient. I was not expecting that much amount of posto in shukto or in the macher shoshe posto, but they had put a very decent amount of posto. So everything, the taste was on point. Now it's time to taste the mutton, and as I already mentioned, the mutton was very good. And the overall thali, it costed me around 900 rupees inclusive of taxes. And the niramish thali, the veg thali, it costed 569 including the taxes. And everything, it okay, it might be a little more costly as compared to what all menus they have included, but considering the fine dining and the taste and the service you're getting here in Bangalore for Bengali food, I must say this is worth it. This is worth it. Even the rasgulla was very soft. Usually in Bangalore shops, I get rasgulla very chewy, and I don't know, somewhat a synthetic chewy feel I get in the rasgulla. But this rasgulla, I don't know, they have made, like they have prepared it on their own or they have bought it from somewhere. But the rasgulla was very soft and juicy and like on point how we have it in Bengal. Overall, considering dessert, starters, food, main course, everything, I just loved it.
Food and all. This was a good brunch today. So that's all for today.